Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. If you have seen a cute outfit on Shein and want to share it with your friend, let me show you how to copy your product link in just few seconds. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Log in if you have not already. Now browse or search for the product you like. I would like to go with some dresses. This one is pretty. You can also browse or search for the product you like and tap on it to open the product details page. On the product page, look for the share icon. It usually looks like an arrow or three connected dots. Tap on it. In the share menu, you will see an option called copy link. Tap on that. And the product link is now copied to your clipboard. You can now paste that link anywhere, in messages, DMs, or even on social media to share your favorite finds. And that's it. Super simple. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick app guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.